I was just about to do my makeup. Hi, Rumi. What a look. Oh, Bobby's calling. A show? Oh, but I'm not ready. Don't stress. I'll make a beauty salon out of a makeup bag. First, I need to reinforce the makeup bag from the inside. Wrap a piece of cardboard with sequin fabric. Tuck the edges and secure them with hot glue. Perfect. One side's ready. For the second, I use gold silk. Set a sturdy wall. Wow. And of course, the sign. Wow, that's awesome. Woo-hoo! Maybe add some columns? Huh? I'll need them for the vanity. Repaint them with gold paint. For the tabletop, I use an old cushion compact. Pull out the refill and trace it on a sheet of foam. Cut it out with scissors. The second layer will be holographic. Cover the sides with film. Inside, I frame the mirror with gems. The final touch, a cute little heart. Set the vanity on the column legs and move it into our beauty studio. Build a seat and wrap it in fabric. Here's a little ottoman. I just need to decorate the seams. Perfect. I install the shelves. Everything she needs will fit here. Place her favorite makeup on the vanity. Now we can start Rumi's makeup.
Yes.
First, I'll wipe off the old look. Wow, my face looks so fresh. I want pretty shadows. Apply them with a fine brush. I'll add a bit of silver to the gold. I'll place gold stickers on the cheeks. Wow, I look gorgeous.
Yay!
The final touch, a hint of perfume. Rumi looks like a real golden star.
Thanks.
Hit like if you'd love a makeover like this. What's inside the silver makeup bag?
Hey!
I want a salon too. Look at my hair. Something needs to be done. Don't worry, I'll make a personal beauty studio for you. Empty the makeup bag and reinforce the wall with silver lining. Decorate the side walls. Mira's hair studio is almost open. Time to set up the furniture. Spacious shelves and a vanity are a must. Wow, it's awesome. Woohoo! But where do I wash my hair?
Huh?
I'll make a special wash chair for you. Glue curlers together to create this curved shape. Attach a stand underneath. On the sides, I add a footrest and a small basin. Decorate it with silver gems. The salon chair is ready.
Wow!
Let's also make shampoos.
Okay.
I can craft them from beads of different sizes.
Wow.
I'll place them on the shelves. Oh wow, it's so pretty. I want to test the new wash station and the shampoo. I want this one. Great choice. Mira is in for top-tier relaxation. I pour some water and whip up fluffy foam. A head massage feels amazing. Look, I have a beard. You're such a goof. We rinse the hair thoroughly. Now I need a hair mask. We'll use this one for moisture. Spread the mask evenly through her hair. Apply it from root to tip and wrap it in a towel. Now we wait for it to soak in. Time's up.
Oh my.
We can rinse. Wow, her hair is so soft and shiny. We dry it with a blow dryer. Such a gorgeous volume. Now I can style Mira's hair. Separate the front strands. On top, I make 2 tiny ponytails.
Wow.
I look amazing.
Thank you.
Zoey was hiding inside the fluffy makeup bag. I want my own fashion studio.
Okay.
Great idea. Here are fabrics and threads. I'll need them later. The walls and floor will be soft and fuzzy. I want a heart-shaped mirror. Fantastic idea. Wrap the template in foil. Attach it to a plastic backing. The frame will be fuzzy too. Trim the extra.
Wow.
Just precious. Secure the studio sign. Place a roomy closet. The shoes are set.
Good.
Now we need to hang the outfits. I wish we had a mannequin. Oh, I know how to make one. Take a piece from a broken doll. Wrap it in chenille wire. The stand will be fuzzy too. Connect the parts and mount them on the base. The mannequin is ready. Wow, it's so soft.
Yay.
I also need a desk.
Okay.
I wrap a firm base with faux fur. Decorate the edges with chenille wire. Attach the legs and a shelf on the side, a sketchboard, drawings, and a sewing machine. The essentials for a crafting desk.
Thanks.
I can't wait to sew something. What will it be?
Huh?
Oh, Zoey is trying so hard. Look, I made a coat.
Oh my.
Zoey looks absolutely stunning in it. Mira stopped by to visit Rumi. Hey.
Hi.
Wow, your place looks amazing. So much makeup, and this vanity is gorgeous. Sit down, I'll do your makeup. But I want the trendiest look. Of course. Let me just... Oops, Derpy climbed onto the table. Oh no, the shadows shattered. This was my favorite palette. Don't worry, sweetie. I'll make you a brand new makeup. I need gold foam sheets. I cut the pieces for the future makeup bag. Coat the zipper with glue and attach the sidewalls. Roll it into a circle. Add the top and the bottom. From a thin strip, I make a handle. Decorate with the Huntrix logo and sparkly gems. Time to fill our makeup bag. Perfume, an eyeshadow palette, nail polish, a mirror, and a brush. All done.
Hey.
Rumi, this is for you. Wow, thank you. We can start the makeup now. Let's begin with the shadows.
Let's go.
Silver will look perfect on Mira. I carefully brighten her eyes and add a pearly gloss to her lips. I paint silver swirls and place decorative gems. Done. You can check it out now. Wow, this makeup is stunning. Thanks, bestie. We look amazing.
Yes.
Let's take a selfie. Great idea. And we'll post it on our socials. I'll need old headphones, a plastic case, light clay, foam sheets, and acrylic paint. Cut the headset. It will be the handle. The nozzle will be made from foam. Cut a strip and roll it into a ring. Glue the pieces with hot glue. Paint it black, then silver. Add gold buttons. Now I prepare the case. Paint it pink and add the logo. Fill the inside with a light clay. Place the dryer inside.
Good.
Here you go, Mira.
Thanks.
Wow, a real Dyson.
Woohoo! Help.
Zoey needs Mira's help. My hair is totally tangled. Say no more. First, we need to gently brush the hair. For a pretty style, I need a Dyson. Mira is truly inspired. The hair is now full and soft. I twist the ponytails into coils and form two buns. How do you like it? Thank you, the hairstyle is amazing. Something's missing. Here, let's add some pins. Wow, it looks incredible.
Hey.
I need help with my hair too. My braid looks too simple. Maybe we take it out? No, it's my signature look.
Okay.
Then how about gold gems?
Yes.
Rumi loves that idea. Let's add a chain. Awesome idea. We can wrap it around the braid. How is it? Bestie, you're a real star.
Thanks.
Girls, Bobby is calling me again.
Hi.
Where are you? There are a lot of fans here. Right, the concert. Girls, stay calm. I'll put together our outfits.
Oh my.
Zoey switched to turbo mode. Zoey is working like a little bee. Oh, my head is spinning.
Oh my God.
I got so much to finish. I need to do it all.
Let's go.
The work is heating up. Oh, almost forgot. The chains. Ta-da! Your outfits are ready. Wow, they're gorgeous. Thank you, Zoey. The new stage looks turned out super stylish. But where's Zoey? Poor girl got so tired she fell asleep. Hey, Zoey, wake up. You need a look too. Nope, I'm out. I need your help.
Okay.
Let Zoey rest. I'll handle everything myself. Taking measurements and marking the fabric. Cutting with scissors, gluing the edges, adding decor, sheer socks, and fresh boots.
Wow.
Now we're ready to perform. Snap a pic of us. Sure thing. Big smiles. Yay, we made it. Yeah! Each of the dolls got her own studio. Rumi's makeup salon. Zoey's sewing room. And Mira's hair studio. And here comes the fans' visitors. Can I get a new hairstyle?
Yes!
I want a cool makeup look.
Okay.
And I dream of a new dress. Would you like to visit the Huntrix Salon? Tell me in the comments which studio you liked the most. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.